Hello and welcome. Today I am going to talk about how to convert binary numbers into decimal numbers. Let's start with an example. Binary number 1, 0, 1, 1. Now start all the way from the right. The place value of this one is 2 to the power 0 means 1, so we can call it ones place. Move to the left of that. The place value of this one is 2 to the power 1, or we can call it 2's place. This one is 2 to the power 2, or we can call it 4's place, or this one is 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3, or we can call it 8's place. So every time we are moving to the left, we are multiplying by 2. Place value of this next place should be 2 to the power 4 or 16th place, then it will be 2 to the power 5, which will be 32th place, then it will be 2 to the power 6, or it will be 64th place, then it will be 2 to the power 7, that should be 128th place. Now convert this binary number into decimal number. Now multiply each digit by their place value and add them to get the result. So the place value is 2 to the power 3 means 8. So 1 times 2 to the power 3, 1 times 2 to the power 3 plus this is 0. So result will be 0. Then next one 2 to the power 1, 1 times 2 to the power 1 plus 1 times 2 to the power 1, then plus 1 times 2 to the power 0 means 1, 2 to the power 0. That should be 8 plus this one is 0, this one is 2 plus this one is 2 to the power 0 means 1. So 1 times 1 equal to 1. That is 8 plus 2 10 plus 1 11. So binary 1011 equivalent to decimal 11. That is the answer. Next example, binary number 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1. Now place value of this one is 2 to the power 0, this is 2 to the power 1, this is 2 to the power 2, this is 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 6, and 2 to the power 7. Now 1 times 2 to the power 7, plus this should be 0. So next one, 1 times 2 to the power 5 plus 1 times 2 to the power 4 plus 1 times 2 to the power 3 plus 0 times 2 to the power 2 means 0. So next one, 1 times 2 to the power 1 plus 1 times 2 to the power 0. Now 2 to the power 7 means 128 plus 2 to the power 5 means 32 plus 2 to the power 4 means 16. 2 to the power 3 means 8 plus 2 to the power 1 means 2 plus 2 to the power 0 means 1. Now add up 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 6 16, 16 plus 8 24, 24 plus 2 26 plus 1 27. So 7 and 2, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 2 8. So 8 and this is 1. So binary number 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 equivalent to decimal 187. Now how to convert fractional binary numbers into a decimal number? Now look at the place values. Look at the pattern. It is decreasing left to right. If we divide the place value by 2, we get the place value of the immediate right one. So if we continue this pattern, after the point place value will be like this: 2 to the power minus 1, 2 to the power minus 2, 2 to the power minus 3, 2 to the power minus 4, like this. So if there is a binary value 0.101, then place value of this one should be 2 to the power minus 1, this one should be 2 to the power minus 2, and this one should be 2 to the power minus 3. So now 1 times 2 to the power minus 1. So 2 to the power minus 1 plus 0 times 2 to the power minus 1, that will be 0, and then 1 times 2 to the power minus 3, that will be 2 to the power minus 3. So 2 to the power minus 1 equal to 0.5 plus 2 to the power minus 3 equal to 0.5. 0.125. That is equal to 0. This is 5, this is 2, this is 5 plus 1, 6. So 0.101 binary number equivalent to 0.625 decimal number. That's all for today. Hope you understand this lesson. Thank you. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.